We are glad to welcome you on a Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can charge DJI Mini 3 Pro. So this is a very simple thing to do. You'll need to get yourself a Type-C charging wire, then plug it into your charging adapter, put it into your plug or socket rather, connect the plug to its respective electrical socket or however you call it in your respective country. Just, make sure that it is connected to power. Then take your charging wire. At the back part of your drone, find this Type-C input and put your charging wire into it. And as you will be able to tell now, once this animation of status light plays, that means that the drone is being charged now. And the status light that it stops at shows you the current battery level that it has. In my case, you can clearly see that it reaches all 4 status lights, which means that my drone is almost 100% charged. The same goes for the remote controller. Doesn't matter which generation of it you have, like this newer one, like I do, or an older version that has this mounting rack at the top for your phone to be put at. And it has its port at the bottom here, below the screen. So just put the charging wire inside the same way, and those status lights will also show what is, how many status lights you see active, this many percents of your battery life you have. So mine, as you can see, reaches all 4. That means that my RC or remote controller is fully charged now. So that will be it for this short and simple video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.